Good morning, student. This is your science classes. How are you? I hope you are all good. So, we discuss chapter number 12, name reproduction in plants. In my previous video, we discussed so many topics, examples, mode of reproduction, vegetative parts, reproductive parts, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction, and budding, fragmentation and spore formation. Now we discuss what is sexual reproduction. Okay, now next heading is sexual reproduction. We previously discussed that sexual reproduction is that type of reproduction. New plants are formed with seeds, means sexual reproडक्शन में जो न्यू प्लांट्स ऑब्टेन होते हैं वो सीड की हेल्प से होते हैं, बट asexual reproduction में बेसिकली न्यू प्लांट्स आर राइज टू विदाउट अ सीड्स. ओके, नाउ we are discussing about what is stamen and what is anther. Heading stamen. The male reproductive part is known as stamen. Okay, students? Stamens. Note down कीजिए, stamen are the male reproductive parts. It is the male reproductive parts. And now next heading is pistil. Pistil is the female reproductive parts. It is the female reproductive parts in plants. Reproductive parts. Stamen is the male reproductive parts and pistil is the female reproductive parts. Okay. आपकी बुक में 12.4 एक्टिविटी नंबर गिवन है, वहां से आप देख सकते हैं. एक फिगर ड्रॉ करते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ ड्रॉ द फिगर इन योर नोटबुक. Activity 12.4. Take a mustard and China rose petunia flower and separate its reproductive parts. Study the various part of stamen and pistil. बेसिकली आप लोगों को क्या करना है, एक मस्टर्ड या पेटूनिया प्लांट्स को लेना है और उसके रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट्स यानी स्टेमेन और पिस्टल को आपको उसको डिफरेंस करना है उसमें. कि देखिए यहाँ पे Now next figure is figure draw कीजिए. Please note down the figure in your notebook. This is structure is bottle type structure. This structure both it bottle type structure here. Both are stigma. Both are stigma. Both are stigma. This is known as style. This is known as style. This is known as style. And this is ovary. 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 And this dot is known as ovule. This dot is known as ovule. Ovule means egg. Ovule means egg. And this is pistil. Pistil is female reproductive part. Pistil is female reproductive part. And male reproductive part. Male reproductive part. Anther. Anther. This is filament. And this is anther. It is stamen. Stamen. This is the female reproductive part. This is female reproductive part. And this is male reproductive part. Okay, student? Draw the figure in your notebook. Now, next topic is unisexual flowers and bisexual flower. What is the basic difference between unisexual flower and bisexual flower? Now, so next heading is please note down unisexual flowers. Unisexual flowers. Flowers which contains either only pistil or only stamens are called unisexual flowers. Means वो flower जिसमें या तो male reproductive parts present होता है या तो female reproductive part present होता है. अब वो कुछ भी हो सकता है. Means stamen और anther. Okay, stamen and pistil. नोट डाउन कीजिए. फ्लावर्स which flowers which contains only which contains either only either only pistil or only stamens are called unisexual flowers. Are called unisexual flowers. Example corn, papaya, cucumber. एग्जाम्पल नोट डाउन कीजिए. कॉर्न, पपाया, and cucumber. Unisexual flowers which contain either only pistil or only stamens are called unisexual flowers. Example corn, papaya and cucumber. Okay student, now next topic is bisexual flowers. Bisexual flowers. बाइसेक्सुअल फ्लावर नोट डाउन कीजिए बेटा. Flowers which contain both stamens and pistil. Stamens and pistil are called bisexual flowers. Bisexual flowers. Examples mustard rose and petunia. Mustard rose and petunia. Bisexual flowers which contains both stamens and pistil are called bisexual flower. Means bisexual flower are those types of flower which contains both reproductive part, that is female reproductive part and male reproductive parts. Okay, examples are there: mustard, rose and petunia plants. I hope this is clear to you. Okay student, now next topic is, now note Note point number 1. Both male and female, both male and female unisexual flowers, unisexual flowers, flowers may be present, may be present, may be present in the same plants, in the same plant, in the same plants, or in different plants, or in different plants. Now, second note point. Anther contains pollen grains. Anther contains pollen grains, pollen grains which produce male gametes, male gametes. Please underline this word because this is very important. Male gametes. Anther contains pollen grains which produce male gametes. Anther क्या करता है? Pollen grain contain करता है और basically वो male gametes को produce करता है. Okay? Now, note 3. Note 3. A pistil contains a pistil is what? Pistil is female reproductive part. Pistil is female reproductive parts. Pistil consists of stigma, style and ovary. Okay, and ovary contains one or more ovules. Ovules means eggs. Now, note point 4. The female gametes underline this line. Please underline this sentence. The female gametes or the egg, and also underline X is formed in an ovule. Okay, style, and ovary. Ovary contains one or more ovules. The female gametes or the egg is formed in an ovule. Okay, student. Pistil is the female reproductive part and stigma is the male reproductive parts. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, student. Thank you and have a nice day.